My experience with using LongMill has been outstanding. With my father, just learning the whole CNC stuff, but being a longtime woodworker, he has a lot of knowledge around the different woods and the different processes and that kind of stuff. And the ability for me to program the LongMill at home, come out to his shop, put it together, and leave him to run it has been absolutely outstanding. The fact that it is very simplistic and he's able to comprehend it to run it is amazing. I think people need to understand is the LongMill is actually really simple to run, and knowing that if you do get yourself into a bogged down problem, that somebody's going to help you get out of it so that you can continue to embrace and learn and that. Every day is a learning opportunity, and this thing it keeps going and it lets you actually try stuff.